Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you on how to use Chrome on Roku TV. Let go, we'll check and we can install the Chrome on Roku TV or not. First of all, open the search, type the Chrome text in the search box and check all the applications are available or not. If app is not available, you can do cast your screen to use the Chrome browser on your Roku TV. For casting, we need to connect your Roku TV and smartphone with the same wireless or Wi-Fi network. After that, you need to select the Apple Airplay and HomeKit option under the settings in Roku TV. Now open the wireless project on your iPhone device and select your Roku TV name for casting the mobile screen on your TV. Now you can browse the internet through the Chrome on your iPhone and you can see Roku TV. This is the option to use the browser on your Roku TV. Roku TV does not provide the browser for surfing the internet directly on TV. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this video is helpful. It's really helpful. Please share this video, like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.